Hi all, Mariah here, one of the instructional designers at the WeLearn 366 Institute, and we are super excited to share with you that we're hosting an all-day event featuring our One Button Studio, which is a phenomenal tech tool to enhance teaching and student engagement. So on Thursday, April 13th, between the hours of 9 a.m. and 4 p.m., we hope that you'll join us, come and hang out and try out this new technology. You can walk in, or appointments are available via email as well. And so a little bit about what the technology looks like. Essentially, you're going to be using this light board to create a video for your students. So we want you to come in with a few ideas about perhaps not teaching formulas potentially, but just creating a welcome video for your summer class or fall class. You might think about introducing yourself, maybe the learning management system that you're using, and also perhaps some of the tools that you're using, the physical resources such as where the classroom is located or any textbooks that you're using. You can come prepared with that knowledge backed up, or just come the day of and have fun and try out the equipment. That is fine too. We just want to encourage you to try out the different features and functionalities. If you do come prepared with a PowerPoint, keep in mind for the Revolution Lightboard for the One Button Studio, it's best practice to have it on a black background. So come join us April 13th, any time of day. The instructional designers and the whole team will be here to help you. So come in, have some fun, ask questions. We'll be talking about different ways teachers are using it in their classrooms, best practices, etc., etc. Remember, no video needs to be perfect, so just come with a growth mindset. If you're going to be dressed for the day, you want to think about wearing something you feel confident in. But a best practice is to wear dark clothing. They recommend blue, but don't wear black because then you'll fade into the background. Also, no logos. Again, if you want to pre-prepare a PowerPoint, that's fine. But think about having it on a black background, and also there's kind of a rule of thirds, but we can talk about that the day of. Also, when you're recording with us, just keep in mind videos should be kept short, as micro-learning. Research shows that micro-learning is the best to help with student interest, engagement, and retention. So as this video is getting a little bit long, I'll cut it off right here. We hope that trying this new equipment will be a valuable addition to your already growing and ever-expanding toolkit. We look forward to seeing you and all the amazing things you will do with the equipment. Come join us. Let's have some fun. See you soon. Bye.